Okay, so I'm just going to use this sample problem to show you how to fill out your assignment today. If you see any gray boxes, you need to enter something in each box. Okay, first thing I'm going to want you to do when I share this assignment with you, I would like you to file, make a copy of the entire presentation so that you are not changing my slides. You're going to create your own slides. So first, make a copy of the entire, and then you're going to name it your name and then 4.2b, right? So we'll call it 4.2b student name. We'll call it that. All right, so that's done. And then go ahead and hit OK. All right, and so now it's going to open its own assignment. And right now, it's going to bring up all these different slides. We're working on the sample problem here. So let's see if we can zoom in a little bit here so we can see what's going on. So now I'm going to get my select tool and I'm going to start filling this out. So -4. You know what? Let me just mention that it would probably be good to go ahead and maybe set as a default that you're going to put in like a font size 12 or something like that. So -4, 3, -4, filling it out, -1, and 8. Then begin. So you bring down your 3, you multiply, that's -12. You add, that's -16. You multiply, that's 64. You add, that's 63. You multiply, that's -252. And you see how that kind of you might have to stretch it out a little bit just to make that fit because it went to the next line there. And then your remainder was -244. That's kind of a big font, so maybe we'll just back it up and make it fit. There we go. You can do a lot of things to make your values fit into the boxes. If you have to change the box, you have to change the box. Okay, so now we're going to enter the quotient. But what I want you to do is actually enter it using an equation editor. So come up to your add-ons here and go to Math Equations and open the menu. And it's going to bring a menu over here. Now there's a couple of different options here. You can use text, math, ML, or ASCII. I'm a fan of ASCII, so I choose ASCII. And then I'm just going to type it in. So remember this was 3x squared minus 16x plus 63. So that's what I'm going to type in. 3x, and to get the squared, I'm just going to caret squared. And you can see down here that this is what it's going to enter into your computer or into your slide, minus 16x plus 63, and you've got it, and so this is what it's going to look like. And so we're going to now add this equation to the slide. It's going to put it way up here in the top, and it's going to be really big. I'd like it to fit down here where the quotient is supposed to be. So we're going to grab it and we'll resize it a bit. That did not resize it, so let's try that again. So we'll resize it. There we go, and then just drag it and just fit it in there so that it shows. And there you go, there's your quotient, and then of course here's your remainder, and that's -244. And so that is what I'm requiring you to do for these problems here. And you'll have different types of problems, but your synthetic division table will always be pretty much the same, and anywhere there's a gray text box, I would like you to fill it out. And that's how you do it. Thanks.